Hello guys, Jack here. I'm going to show you my awesome double ramp here. As you can see, I'm going to unbox it. And there's a small ramp right here, but I don't want to buy it. So let's unbox it. The camera a little bit. And as you can see, I already take off the tape and voila! It's pretty nice and smooth. And nothing there we go. It's pretty smooth, huh? Got a nice ramp here, grind. It's pretty awesome. And they said they also added a skateboard for me. Let's see if they have it. Oh no, they don't. And well, that's it. Well, I don't have this tech deck yet. And yeah, you can see right here. Awesome. Here we go. Bye.